welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving in the fascinating history of the United Kingdom from ancient time to the modern era. Let's explore how this island nation evolved. Our story begins with ancient Britain around 80,000 BCE. The first settlers arrived after the last ice age. These early inhabitants were hunter-gatherers, but by around 3000 BCE they began building monumental structures like Stonehenge. Stonehenge remains one of the most iconic prehistoric sites in the world, reflecting the advanced understanding of astronomy and engineering of its builders. Fast forward to 43 AD, the Romans invaded Britain, led by Emperor Claudius. They established Londinium, modern-day London, and brought roads, baths, and new architecture to the island. Hadrian's Wall, built to protect Roman Britain from northern tribes, stands as a testament to their engineering prowess. After the Romans left in the 5th century, the Anglo-Saxons arrived. They formed several kingdoms, laying the foundation for English culture and language. One of the most significant events in early UK history was the Norman conquest in 1066. Let's see how this changed the course of history. In 1066, William the Conqueror defeated King Harold at the Battle of Hastings, becoming the first Norman king of England. This event brought feudalism and significant changes in governance and culture. The Normans built impressive castles and fortresses, including the Tower of London, which still stands today. The medieval period saw the rise of powerful monarchs. The signing of the Magna Carta in 1215, which limited the king's power, and the 100 Years' War with France. The Tudor dynasty, starting with Henry VI in 1485, ushered in a new era of prosperity and exploration. Henry and his daughter Elizabeth I are two of the most famous monarchs in UK history. The Elizabethan era, marked by the reign of Elizabeth I, was a time of cultural flourishing, with figures like William Shakespeare contributing to the arts. The 17th century brought turmoil with the English Civil War. King Charles I was executed, and for a brief period, England became a republic under Oliver Cromwell. The monarchy was restored in 1660, and the Glorious Revolution of the 1688 established a constitutional monarchy, reducing royal power and expanding parliamentary authority. The 18th and 19th centuries saw the Industrial Revolution transform the UK into a global power. Innovation in minority transportation and industry reshaped society and the economy. At its height, the British Empire was the largest in history, spanning continents and influencing global trade, politics, and culture. The 20th century brought both world wars, where the UK played a crucial role. Post-war, the empire gradually dissolved, leading to the formatting of Commonwealth. Today, the UK is a vibrant multicultural nation with a rich history, from its ancient roots to its modern achievements. The story of the UK is one of resilience and innovation.